So, welcome to another episode of What is What in the Business World. In this video, we are breaking down 4 basic terms that everyone uses, but very few actually understand. Now we're gonna simplify the things like business, startup, enterprise, and entrepreneurship. So what is business? It is an activity or organization that sells a product or services to make money. It can be large, small, it can be traditional or innovative, and can be online or offline. The goal is to generate profits. If money is being exchanged for value consistently, that means you are running a business. Now coming to startup. Now here is where people get confused. Not every business is a startup. A startup is a new business designed to grow fast. It usually focuses on innovation, scalability, and rapid expansion. It operates in early stages with high risk and uncertainty. Startups are built with the intention to scale quickly. That is a key difference. Now diving into part 3, that is entrepreneurship. It is not about a company. It's about the mindset. The act of identifying more and more opportunities, taking risks, and building multiple businesses is about entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is someone who creates. They see problems, they find solutions, and they take actions. It's all about initiative and ownership. And coming to the last one, enterprise. So what is enterprise? It is a large and established business organization. It includes structured systems, stable operations, large workforce, and a long-term marketplace. An enterprise is a startup and business can eventually become. These are the basic foundations, but foundations are matter, right? In the next videos, we'll talk about how these actually function, how they connect to each other in the real world. This is Hemanth. I'll see you in the next video.